don't need a man to be the God you are. For you have chosen to call me your own.